guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Brad with Fine Tune, and today we are working on a 2020 BMW X5 40i, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the ECU. With this vehicle, the ECU is currently locked from BMW, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to remove it and unlock it on the bench with software, and this allows us to tune the vehicle to various stages. So this vehicle will receive a stage 1 tune, and then we'll do a stage 2 tune on it, and just show you guys the difference in performance going to those two different stages, stock to stage 1 to stage 2. So I'll show you guys how to remove the ECU, and then we will be flashing this with MG Flasher. So super easy process on their side, but we just have to unlock the ECU first in order to start doing the tuning on our phone. So let's get to it. Alright, so the ECU is located on this side of the engine bay. It's driver's side United States. So basically we have to take off this brace with a 18mm and then the E12 up front here in order to get to this. So the first 18mm is off, and we got to do this E12 up here, and then that will allow us to remove this bracket. And then we have just this coolant connector right here that we have to pry off, and then we should be able to get this cover off just like so, and then that gives us access to the ECU right here. So this is the ECU. Basically we have to disconnect all these connectors right here. So there's kind of like a relay power supply on this side. So we have to take off all those connectors in order to get to the ECU connectors here. It's a good idea to disconnect the battery, just so you don't have any fault codes going on with this thing after you're done. So we'll go ahead and disconnect some of these plugs here. Starting with this one over here. We'll do this guy. Also, it's not a bad idea to take a picture of this stuff before disconnecting it, just so you don't forget where everything goes. And I use a pick to do this, and it's just easier for me to get to some of this stuff with a pick. So, alright, we got some of this wiring harness out of the way. We'll start with the front one here. So push in, and then it unlocks this way. Push in, unlock, and do the same to the rest of them. Alright, and that's that. So now we have access to the ECU. We'll just take this front connector off. If I could get it. Okay, that front connector's off. And now we have access to the ECU. So there's two clips on both sides here. And then we could slide it up and out. So there we have it. There's the ECU for the B56 engine. B58 engine. So here is, the Bosch ECU. So basically we're going to put this on the bench, hook our pin tool up to it, and send this to the tuner to be unlocked so that we're able to program this with stage 1 on it. And yeah, it should be fun. Thanks for watching.